The ThinLED Flushmount edge light panel from Trenz features an up, down, or dual lighting option that can be controlled independently or together. The ThinLED Flushmount edge light panel includes lifetime warranty, a selectable up, down, or dual lighting function, and smooth dimming. This fixture is ENERGY STAR approved and comes with a fixed warm white color temperature. It is available in 3 different sizes: 1x1, 1x2, and 2x2 foot configurations. This powerful fixture is ideal for your kitchen, laundry room, or hallways. The ThinLED Flushmount edge light panel works exceptionally well when put in a garage or workshop, as the large light-emitting surface provides ample illumination to the task space. For more information, please visit trenzlighting.com.